Hi guys, welcome to Teacher Scene. India's number one NIT has already announced their PhD program. Yes, I am talking about NIT Trichy. They already declared their PhD program for both the full-time and part-time for July session. So let's go to their official website and we'll see the details. Before I start, I would like to say our channel is fully dedicated to them, those who wants to be a good teacher, professor, lecturer in their future. Here we discuss all teachers related studies, competitive exams and jobs. So I'll request everyone to please subscribe our channel and follow our social media sites so that whatever notification will come, you will get it easily. So you can see here, this is the official website of NIT Trichy, NIT Tiruchirappalli. So if you'll go a little bit down, I can zoom it. So if you'll go a little bit down, you can see here notice and downloads. The first option, it has mentioned that download PhD admission for 2021-2022 session. So we have to click here, and this is the PhD admission portal for July session. Then here you can see, please read the information brochure. Okay, then here you can see the payment of application fee. We'll see this later. First we'll see the brochure, then we'll click here. So this is the admission brochure, information brochure for admission to PhD program full-time and part-time July 2021 session. Okay, National Institute of Technology, Tiruchirappalli. We'll go a little bit down. You can see important things. Here you can see important information. Applications are invited for admission to PhD program in the following categories. One is full-time and second is part-time. In full-time, half-time research assistantship and externally funded. Okay, in part-time, in service, internal and external. Three categories will come. So we'll see, we'll go down. Here you can see, for the session starting from July 2021 in all the disciplines, these are the areas you can do your PhD here. Okay, engineering and technology, science, computer application, architecture, management and humanities and social science. These are the departments. So you can do your PhD in these departments. Admission to applicants in the reserved category will be done as per the notification of Government of India. So let's see. Here you can see the lateral applications. Applicants are advised to read this information brochure carefully before applying online. A gist of the instruction is as follows. The number one, lateral applicants. In this category, candidate has to clear master's degree with minimum 60% mark. For SC, ST, OBC, 5% relaxation is there. With that, they have to clear the GATE exam or any national competitive exam. Okay. Then category 2, this is called direct application. In direct application, people has to clear BTech or BArch, you can see here, with 80% mark. Okay, with that they have to clear GATE exam. And what benefit they will get? Here they can do the dual degree, MTech or plus PhD or MArch plus PhD. Here they can do. Okay, now if you go a little bit down, you can see lot of information has given here. You can read it. Okay, so those who will be coming directly without any exam, means competitive exam, they have to write that entrance here. Then you can see lot of details as mentioned. Then lot of documents they have mentioned here. You have to must upload these all these documents. Here you can see the SC, ST, OBC categories benefits. What are the benefits they are providing here? They have mentioned everything here, and they have mentioned that applicants has to visit regularly institute website. Then so here you can see one important information. Here it has mentioned an applicant fulfilling minimum eligibility criteria can choose up to 3 department he eligible. So if you want to apply for more than 2-3 department, then you are eligible to apply only up to 3 departments. Okay, then you can see here the application fee for general category and OBC and EWS category, you have to pay 1000 rupees. Then for SC, ST, PW category, they have to pay only 750 rupees. Okay, the payment of fees and the more departments should be made through the bank collect only. So this is the link. You can click on this link and you can pay your application fee here. Then some important dates here. It has mentioned that the start for online application is June 9 2021. Then the last date for submission of online application is July 9 2021 till 5 p.m. So this is very important. You have to remember this thing. July 9 is the last date for online application submission. Then a written test and interview. Here they have mentioned July 15 2021 is will be your written test or interview date. Okay. Then here you can see PhD admission categories and requirement. So here you can do full-time research scholar, then part-time research scholar. So what we have already discussed in that first page of this brochure. So you can read it again here. Then admission process. So here you can see that for the category 3.1 full-time HTR they will get category 1, those who are you can see I have already shown you here. These people are coming under category 1. You can see the full-time research scholar category 1. They will get HTR scholarship. Means institute will provide assistantship to them, financial assistant. So in that category 17 departments are coming. Under 17 departments, all candidates those who will be taking admission in this 17 department in category 1, they will get the financial assistant from the institute. So for 5 years, you can see here they have mentioned 5 years. First 2 years they will get 31,000 for first 2 years. Then second 2 years they will get 35,000 up to 3 years. So total 5 years they will get this financial assistant. Apart from this, it has mentioned you can see the both the lateral and the direct candidates are eligible for the Prime Minister Research Fellowship. So if you want to know the details, then you can click it here. Another one benefit you will get it from here. So if you want to research with like DRDO and some other central institute, so they are also providing this kind of opportunity to like CSE department, then CA, then EE, ECE, ICE. So they can also do research with this kind of institution like DRDO and other. They have mentioned the DRDO Center for the Artificial Intelligence and Robotics. So they can do research with them also. So this is a very good thing. So a lot of very good things are there if people can read here before applying for these positions. And you can see the departments, lot of departments, and they have mentioned the total vacancies. So you can see those who are coming under EWS, then OBC, SC, ST. So they can see here the how many vacancies are there in particular department. So these are the departments. Total 17 departments are there. People can see here. So and for category 3.1B full-time, then externally funded, those who have done like some external exam like GATE, UGC, CSIR, then NBHM, NET, CAT, ATMA, ZAT, MAT. So they will get the financial assistance from this institution. So don't worry about that. You people will get all kind of assistantship here also. Okay. So then for the category 3.2 part-time people, so they have to clear this external exam also, and they have to apply through the proper channel. And part-time people, those who are in service, they have to apply proper channel, and they no need to apply any kind of examination entrance. So if they have cleared, then it is good, but it is not mandatory for them. Okay, so you can read it here. And here it has mentioned there is no stipend fellowship for the candidates selected under the categories 3.2A and B. You can see here institute will not provide any kind of financial assistance to them. Then additional eligibility criteria you can read here. Then Department of Architecture, Department of Chemical Engineering. So department wise they have mentioned the eligibility criteria. If you want to read, you can read it here. Then selection procedure, that entrance exam, then interview is there. You can read it here. Okay. So here you can see how to apply. Okay, so applicants must apply through online portal. So this is the portal. I will open it here. So this is the link. Okay, so you can apply here. First you have to log in here, register here, then you can log in here, then you can apply in that same page only. Whatever I have shown you before, in that same page only you have to come down and you have to register here. Okay, so these are the procedures. You can see here details, and that application fee I have already told you. You have to pay 1000 rupees for general and OBC and EWS. For 750 is for SC, ST and PWD candidate. So same thing they have mentioned, and the date I have told you already, 9th is the last date. So these are the thing you can see here. The areas of specialization you can see here, and these are the some annexure they have mentioned. Okay, so these are the details. So I will add this brochure's link in my description. You people can download from there directly, and if you have any query you can go to the institute's website. You can contact them directly, and these are the details. If you want to apply for this position, you can apply as soon as possible. So thank you, all the best.